If you guys are looking for free Adobe programs, you've come to the right video. Now, these are going to be somewhat limited versions of the programs, but they're going to be free and they're not trials. So you're going to be able to get things like Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, After Effects, I believe. We'll see. So what you're going to do is go to account.adobe.com. And once you're there, you're going to sign into your profile over here on the right. And if you do not have one, you can simply make one. And once you're signed in, everybody should have access to Adobe free membership. What you're going to do is click on Creative Cloud, click Explore. It's going to sign you in. And you're going to see all this stuff here, try for free, try for free. Those are all trials. That's not what we're after. You can go ahead and do that, of course. But we're going to go over here to the left and click Browse All Apps. Now this is going to give you all the apps that you're able to download for free. And these, like I said, are somewhat limited versions. Like you have Photoshop Express, Premiere Rush for video editing, Character Animator, Bridge, and Fresco. I'm not too sure what a lot of these are. I mean, this is pretty self-evident, but my main thing that I wanted to install was Adobe Premiere. And I already did. Just click Install. I already have mine installed. It should ask you to install and just click yes and keep the file. If it says it's a warning, it's not. So this is an online tool program. Once you open it up, you can click create a new project and you can import whatever videos you want, you know. I'm going to go ahead and select one here. And it typically takes a second for all the thumbnails to load in. That was quicker this time. Click the video you want, click create, and it prepares it fairly quickly. Sony Vegas was a bit quicker, but this is a video clip of Dead Island 2. As you can see, you have your preview here. Over here on the right, click the little lightning bolt. You have transitions, different color presets, speed. You can transform different things. You can split the video up, trim it, do all that stuff. You can add audio. Very limited version of it, but it's still something free and it's not a trial, and hopefully this helps you out. If it did, please hit the like button below. Subscribe if you haven't. Share the video. Tell everybody about us. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.